All of us here at Mapline are incredibly excited to share with you our latest creation, Mapline 2.0. It's not just an upgrade. We've redesigned, re-engineered, and revamped almost every element to make it faster and easier than ever to unlock the power in your data. One of the first things you'll notice about Mapline 2.0 is the new look and feel. We've created a more streamlined and intuitive interface to put all of its power and features right at your fingertips. Datasets are at the core of Mapline, and now they're easier to use and more powerful. From selecting multiple cells, copy and pasting between Mapline and spreadsheets, and quicker access to options, will help get your data exactly where you need it to be. Routing is one of our most exciting features, and we've made it even better. Now you can create a route from datasets, territories, even your search history. Reverse a route in seconds, then quickly copy addresses and route stops to use on your mobile device. Our improved search capabilities are extremely helpful. Use the search bar to identify specific locations and instantly build routes or add them to datasets. And our new search history feature provides dynamic access to your past searches. Customizing the way a map looks and interacts is a huge part of the new Mapline. Now you can add floating text labels anywhere on the map, style your pins individually to add emphasis or contrast. That includes customizing labels as well. Mapline is also more user-friendly than ever. Just click on the new help buttons and you'll have instant access to clear and concise info boxes, easy to follow demo videos, and in-depth how-to articles. Some of our most dramatic upgrades are under the hood, allowing your maps to be more responsive, faster, and able to handle whatever you can throw at them. Need to add thousands of pins or view hundreds of territories? Now you can. But wait, it gets even better. We are incredibly excited to announce Mapline demographic data. Now you can add US government census, race, ethnicity, gender, and household data to any zip code, state line, or county on your maps. See your data in a whole new light when compared with the population around it. And that's only some of what makes this the single greatest upgrade in the history of the entire world. So try it yourself and see why Mapline 2.0 really is mapping made powerful.